Have you ever wondered how bourbon, that smooth, amber-hued spirit, comes to life? Today, we delve into the fascinating process of bourbon crafting, a journey that transforms simple grains into an exquisite drink savored worldwide. The journey begins with the selection of grains. Bourbon's primary grain is corn, making up at least 51% of the mix. The rest comprises rye, barley, and sometimes wheat. These grains, once chosen, are milled into fine particles, preparing them for the next step, cooking. Cooking, or mashing as it's often called, involves boiling the milled grains with water. This process breaks down the starches in the grains into fermentable sugars, a crucial stage in bourbon creation. The cooked grains, now a mash, cool down before the addition of yeast. The yeast works its magic during fermentation, converting sugars into alcohol. This process creates a concoction known as the distiller's beer, with an alcohol content of about 8 to 10%, but we're far from finished. Distillation comes next. The distiller's beer is heated in a still, separating alcohol from the rest, based on the principle that alcohol boils at a lower temperature than water. The result is an alcohol-rich vapor, which condenses into a liquid known as white dog or new make, a clear spirit that's the foundation of bourbon. However, bourbon isn't bourbon without its signature amber color and rich, complex flavors. These qualities come from the aging process. The white dog is placed in charred new oak barrels and left to age. During this time, the liquid absorbs compounds from the wood, developing its color, flavor, and aroma. The aging process can take anywhere from 2 to 20 years or even longer. It's also worth noting that bourbon's final proof, or alcohol content, is adjusted before bottling by adding distilled water. This dilutes the bourbon to a palatable strength, typically around 40 to 50% alcohol by volume. So, to recap, bourbon crafting begins with the selection of grains, primarily corn. These grains are milled, cooked, and fermented, creating a distiller's beer. This beer undergoes distillation, yielding a clear spirit that's then aged in charred new oak barrels. After aging, the bourbon is diluted to the desired proof and bottled, ready for you to enjoy. It's a journey of transformation, from humble grains to a spirit that's smooth, flavorful, and uniquely American. Every sip of bourbon is a testament to this intricate process, a dance of chemistry and time that results in a drink like no other. So the next time you savor a glass of bourbon, take a moment to appreciate the craftsmanship that brings it to life.